In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsubscribe and stop unwanted email in Gmail and Yahoo. Let's start with Gmail. First, sign into your account and open an email from the sender you no longer want to hear from. Near the sender's name at the top of the message, look for an unsubscribe option. It may appear as a small link or button right next to the sender information. Click unsubscribe and follow any prompts to confirm. Some services take a couple of days to fully remove you, so don't worry if one or two messages slip through shortly after. If you don't see an unsubscribe link in Gmail for that sender, you still have options. Consider using a reputable third-party tool like Clean Email to help you mass unsubscribe from multiple newsletters at once or to automatically tidy up recurring mail. If the unwanted emails keep coming, use Gmail's built-in protection by marking the message as spam or blocking the sender. Marking as spam teaches Gmail to filter similar messages in the future, while blocking prevents new emails from that specific address from appearing in your inbox. A quick tip for Gmail: use unsubscribe for legitimate newsletters you signed up for, and use spam for messages that look suspicious or you never opted into. Unsubscribing is best when you recognize the sender's spam is better when you don't. Now, let's switch to Yahoo Mail. Log in, then open an email from the sender you want to stop. Scroll to the very bottom of the message and look for an unsubscribe link. Click it and complete any on-screen steps. As with Gmail, it can take a little time for the change to take effect, so give it a day or two. If there's no unsubscribe option in Yahoo, use the block feature. Click the three-dot menu next to the sender's name, choose block, and confirm. This stops future emails from that sender from reaching your inbox. If you want to block several senders at once, select multiple emails in your inbox, then use the block option to apply the change in bulk. For broader cleanup in Yahoo, a third-party tool like Clean Email can help you review and unsubscribe from many lists at once, which is especially useful if your inbox has built up over time. To wrap up, open the unwanted email, use unsubscribe when available, and rely on spam or block when it isn't. Keep things simple, be consistent, and give the system a little time to update. With these steps in Gmail and Yahoo, your inbox will quickly become much more manageable.